Boria Construction, a company that provides renewable energy solutions across Canada and the United States. With a capacity to generate 6,800 megawatts of clean electricity, their projects produce enough power to supply over 1 million homes annually. Despite solar energy's potential, tracking and monitoring solar panel installations pose significant challenges. Manual methods can take up to 475 hours and cost over $66,500. These processes are time-consuming, error-prone, and costly. Innovative automation is essential for efficient and scalable solar projects. To address these challenges, an innovative solution integrates cutting-edge technologies. Drones capture high-resolution data, while AI processes it to detect, track, and monitor solar panels installation. The Intuitive Analytics GIS web-based platform visualizes progress and asset management, reducing time, errors, and costs. Our GIS web-based platform offers powerful tools to streamline the entire monitoring process. By utilizing drone imagery and AI, the platform can detect and track solar panel installations with precision. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are continuously monitored, providing accurate results, while the date tracking feature ensures that every milestone in the installation process is recorded. This combination of automated detection and insightful analytics allows for faster, more informed decision-making. AI-driven drones make solar panel monitoring faster, efficient, and cost-effective. Our GIS web-based platform tracks progress 74% faster, cutting operational costs by 29%.